Introduction. Part 1.
Hello. Listen, please. I'm Mr. Laker. I'm English. I'm a teacher. You're a student. You aren't English. I'm speaking English. You're learning English. This is a book. This is a cassette.
Part 2.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Laker.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you English?
No, I'm not.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
Have you got a book?
Yes, I've got a book.
Is it the French book?
No, it isn't. It's the English book.
Good. Where is it?
Here it is.
Where?
It's on the table. Part 3.
Hello. I'm Mr. Hunt. This is my wife, Sarah.
Hello. I'm Sarah Hunt. I'm English. I'm 40. I'm a housewife.
This is my daughter.
Hello. I'm Jane. I'm 18. I'm a student. I'm English too.
And my son.
Hello. I'm Simon. I'm English. I'm 15. I'm a student too.
And this is a friend, Sheila.
Hello. I'm Sheila Morgan. I'm 21. I'm a secretary.
And here's Peter.
Hello. I'm Peter Charlton. I'm 26. I'm a friend of Mr. and Mrs. Hunt, too.